In today's video, you will learn a garlic milk recipe that is sure to alleviate the irritation of the sciatic nerve. Have you ever had sciatica or inflammation on the sciatic nerve? The irritation of the sciatic nerve causes pain in the lower back that irradiates to the legs and, sometimes, to the feet. Depending on how intense the irritation is, it may last several days and hinder even everyday tasks. Sciatica is more common in middle-aged men and women. It happens when the nerve is compressed and gets inflamed because of traumatism, disc herniation, or stenosis, and others. In most cases, sciatica comes with a tingling sensation, numbness, and muscle weakness. Luckily, there are some homemade medicines with analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that can accelerate your recovery, like garlic milk, which you will learn about now. Garlic milk is a natural beverage used in traditional and preventative medicine as a treatment against intestinal parasites and bacterial and viral infections. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that contribute to alleviating sciatica. Are you enjoying the video so far? If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have much more healthy content. Where this came from. Ingredients: 5 garlic cloves, 1 cup of milk, and this is optional, 2 tablespoons of honey. To start, peel and thinly slice the garlic cloves. Then combine the garlic cloves and the milk of your choice into a saucepan. Let it cook over medium heat for 15 minutes. For those of you who are lactose intolerant, feel free to substitute with something plant-based like almond, cashew or oat milk. You can also make garlic milk without cooking it. In this instance, let the garlic sit in the milk for 2 to 3 hours, so the garlic can release its compounds into the milk. To get effective treatment against sciatica, you should be drinking a glass of garlic milk at least once a day. You can divide the portions up through the day to make it easier. Aim to have around 250 milliliters per day. Continue consuming the drink until you notice your sciatic pain is gone. To get quick and efficient relief, it is imperative to improve some of your daily habits and avoid excessive physical efforts during your work. It is also important to practice low-impact physical activities to make sure that you won't develop sciatica again. Remember to correct your posture. If your pain persists even after taking the necessary measures and drinking garlic milk, talk to a doctor. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please take a moment to subscribe. Leave a comment with suggestions for future videos. We love giving you actionable health advice and remedies.